Here are some things you might not know about the GoldwingDocs website. Of course, if you're on the main page, you have all these things you can go to, but if you scroll down to the bottom, you can see there's a line of the latest pictures added to the gallery, and down here you can see the most recent posts have been added to the forum. And they scroll, so you can grab it and look at all the new pictures that have been added, or look at all the new posts that have been added. If you click on any one of these, it takes you right there to that post. You might have noticed that some of these posts have green backgrounds, so the other ones don't. Normally, they're just kind of a bluish background, but once in a while you'll see them green. The reason for that is that people have clicked like on this one more than 3 times. If you click like on a post, it counts it up, and once that post gets to 3, it turns green, so it's easier to see the posts that are more important, that people think are more important and more valuable to them. If you look over here on the right, you can see off-center, this user here has had 214 people who clicked like on his posts. Unfortunately, he's also had 34 people who clicked dislike. Usually, a lot more people click like than dislike. What about the G+? Well, if you see any post like this that has a G+ on it, that means that member is a member of GoldwingDocs Plus. If you are a member of GoldwingDocs Plus, you'll know, I'm going to click this to go back up to the top of the page, because you'll see up here it says GoldwingDocs Plus. How do you become a member of GoldwingDocs Plus, and what do you get? Well, let me show you. If you go to Store and you see GoldwingDocs Plus ad-free, this is where you can sign up for GoldwingDocs Plus. It's only $9.99 a year, and that's only 83 cents a month, and what that does is let you use the site with no advertisements whatsoever. No pesky advertising popping up and disturbing your use of the site. Plus, you get that little plus symbol on your avatar on every time you post on the website that lets everybody know that, hey, you support GoldwingDocs. What about this free contest? What's that all about? This is something we've run for many, many years. In fact, if we go to the contest page, you can see all the previous winners of the contest going back all the way to 2010 and who has won each month. Yes, we give away a contest prize every single month, and this month you can see it's a Quick Clot Trauma Pack. All you have to do to enter the contest is click register right here. Every time you post a message in the forum, you get another entry into the contest. You can see it says I already have 11 messages posted so far this month. So if I register this now, I already have 11 entries for this month's contest. But I won't enter my own contest, but you should. What about this notifications with the number 1 up here? What's that all about? Well, that shows messages that are new since the last time that you looked that you are actually looking at. So you can see I have private messages, I can see replies and topics, and this one here, which is a different color, darker, means I haven't read this one yet. It's a handy way of finding out what's new on the site that I'm interested in seeing without going through all the messages on the forum. The gallery is getting a lot of use now that we have it back up online and working. There are over 12,000 pictures on here, 3,326 galleries, and we have 2,696 users who have posted images into the gallery. There are so many images in here. You can see, here's someone that's restoring a GL1000. If I click on it, and I'll go into that gallery, and you can see all the pictures he's got restoring his GL1000. I can say, look at this one, wow. That's a really nice engine there. And I can say, read comments or leave a comments. I can say, that engine looks great. Brand new. Add that comment. Now you can see I left a comment on this picture. Whoever uploaded this picture, which was a GN rider, he's going to see that comment. And he actually uploaded this picture back in 2014. This picture has been viewed 221 times. He's going to see that comment. Other people can leave their comments about it as well. You can also search through all these pictures as well. If I want to see a picture of, I don't know, a dog, it's probably going to find, well, it'll find pictures that have dog in them. Some of them are Zerd Dog, Mad Dogs Gallery, English Bulldogs Galleries, and I can actually find pictures as well. Here's a prairie dog. Someone put a picture of their dog Luke. Here's a doggy portrait. of their dog. So it's a handy way of finding pictures that you might want to look at. There are so many pictures in the gallery, and if you have pictures of your bike or anything to do with Goldwings, hey, you should upload them into your own member gallery. It's free. We'll look at more of the features in a later video. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, leave them in the comment section below. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.